Okay guys, so I've Recorder here and I'm gonna quickly show you today a cool stuff how to get display recorder on iOS 5, your iPhone, iPod Touch or iPad. So let's start. Open up Cydia and let's just wait for the Cydia to load up. So to record this thing, usually you have to pay, but it's free. So let me just delete this. I don't like when something stays. And now it's loading data. Okay, let me delete that. Then go to the manage sources, edit, and then add first source, let's say h7v.org, and add source. Then we'll hit done and that's the first one right here. We can hit search and type in display space recorder for iOS 5, that one, and yeah, so just install it. So once it is installed, all you want to do, you will see it right there. You want to open up iFile. If you don't have it, you can download it from Cydia, and I will just go to the first available thing. Then go to var mobile with small m, then library, keyboard, right there, display recorder, hit edit, and then hit the plus button in the left bottom corner and type in dot record dot AVI and hit create. I already have it, so it's an error. Okay, so once you have it, all our videos will save there. So that's basically it, guys. Hope you like it, and it's really nice, and I'll post down below how it's called. That's it, guys. Hope you like it. See you next time, guys. Bye.